Eti kwabra mo House of Folk. Say no shake game. From the blast of the whistle to the end, you could see say House of Folk, they were on top of the game. They were on top of the game. And no matter timing my House of Folk. House of Folk created a lot of chances. What you say? Chances, baby, bagging chances. Chances are not being in House of Folk when a normal day should capitalize on it. But who's going to that game, you know? Now House of Folk may say chances pan and saying, what you say? But who's a game in a whole, from goalkeeping, ever see the last man, our attack. If you ask me, on the day, Obiano performing poorly. People are talking about Kofi Koji. Kofi Koji as a scorer. What you say? As a goal poacher. For now, the top scorer for House of Folk. For now, when they say House of Folk goes, white men you go need about Kofi Koji's contribution in the game was massive, and we should applaud that. So game Kofi Koji's contribution in the game now was wrong. Every single player of House of Folk did his best. And no game, you know, because me said you want to game, you know. No many why you know. Anyhow, you want me to catch on say. Because you say the second goal come looking at the way House of Folk is playing, you know. Omubenya goal, no. They make out I said, though almost quite a lot of chances, but we are highly optimistic that they will get the goal because you could see that sense of urgency in their play. The boys were highly committed. And now, Obia Bono boy, you know, Kwabena Meka say. Obia the best. Osha Latras, right fullback, Fatah Muhammad, and then William Denchi. William Denchi was substituted and Radio Voca, but he picked the knock. What you say? Denchi made an assist. Denchi assisted in my House of Folk. He did his best. Radio Voca Subam, with a few minutes around the bar, or my who is Radio Voca. Kwabra so attacks be no initiative. It was very good. The center pair super duper. What you say? Muhammad Al-Hassan and then a branch of friend James Sewonu. Muhammad Al-Hassan has always been a pillar. What you say? And we improved a lot in his play. So Al-Hassan as a player, no. Kwabra oh football no. Because when you nim the game no assistant was a sabebe Kwabra. We've seen an improved Muhammad Al-Hassan. And so always, Muhammad Al-Hassan pair any center backer, you feel comfortable. And Sewonu was spot on. But at the time when you hear safety first on Penny Wasam, a dear mommy person who was someone say, or go for area ball on your file. On you soon inside. On Fanisa, a lot of center backs and holding midfielders, of course, no pet referee for foul because of you soon inside. But this boy, who is and so share. Why not just say safety first? Men Penny Wasam. Over elaboration be a mem, minya, ma show be no pass abano. The boy did well, and I think we should encourage him. So we should encourage that boy. Kwabna talking of the midfield row, Salim Adams. Kwabna Saoshaya House of Folks game against Cancer. And a boy never shares our super goal. Now be a can want some that Cancer goal. What you say? And so we all felt say there will be the need for a coach. Bodu so be my boy in a chance. Kwabena no man a chance but na boy no was offering we so here who's a chance around your money nyina no na ensheda enkoye mfa ma the first Salim Adams but then no House of Folk holding role no Afutu is not there. It's no more with the club. Caleb Amankwa Epra and not that the coach any trust anymore we bra enti coach ni person be rexe e di Caleb Baba so okay work dey see here. I'm not say I'm fat. And to say Caleb want absolute trust and confidence in Caleb. But we're proud to ensure and say that and what the Salim. Also, you want to net and elbow. But of late, Nete, no man from Nete cry. And you cry. Nete is a good passer of the ball, it's a good distributor of the ball, but he's not a good tackler. And so that young chap Salim, and also Jumano, Kwabena, and he did what? He performed his role to perfection. At the be a one of whom, yeah, I was a coach, and they've seen it. They already know this as my making. Salim Nankasa work Kwabena, Chichado. Oh, rough. On Chima, what Chichado, the Kwabena, the tackle be a foul. I didn't panel. So some may catch them so awesome as a center back, Kwabena, and hardly saw by so a foul against them so. But Salim, no, Kwabna, why did they found them to say, Kwabna, you game, no. Swallow for the chance to be said you will be at security. Naka play on Salim, all right side home. Speed be a Salim de Goon, so no bra. Be a say, what a Nako cano. I don't quite idea some work or bueno. I know to make bad game, Lusuna. Mac can the house of focus on your pet experience. I know. Kwabna Salim, no, it will be given a different role. Your friend say, Algeria, or you see, Salifu, Ibrahim, Di Maria. I said, now, a lot of people were saying, say, Di Maria that you all know, no, as an inform not the pity, what I say. But neither be I mean, accuse say, and you're not correct. Say, well, follow House of Folk matches, you know, in recent times, you know. Ubaru said, no, the goals are not coming, but House of Folk is creating a lot of chances. Now, who is the creator? Who is the orchestrator of those passes? One of them, man. Kwabena House of Folk 2 matches, 2 first goals for Mashe. So much 2 goals in the league. Meboa, Kofi Koji Asheri, one of the pass, one of man is passing. Against Wafa, one of man Kofi Koji passing. And then against your fan say, Adriana Stars, one of man is passing. It was Salifu Ibrahim.
Look on Facebook, I show the match no SFC no Facebook. Lights 94.9 and Live Sports you can watch the game there.
What do you say? Kwabena, it was a certain Salifu Ibrahim who gave those 2 passes. It's not the form in uniform, but the no boy needs to say, indeed, he's the best player in the local scene. The defending champion, no. Look at the goal he scored. Look at the goal the boy scored. Now, before some can go on crown once, Mammy applauded Barnier.
Yeah, yesterday he did a Juma's job.
Barnier?
Yeah, Juma.
And he was so unselfish. And now, because the first goal, he was in a better position to score. So, who's your first goal now? He was in a better position. After he has dribbled past Omu defender, he was in a better position. I think this is the goal, right? He was in a better position to score. What he here? No, when you're and one. So, Shaya, not commit my say, but who said no, Minia Di Maria, you know, where a good way at the manner. And intelligently, Di Maria plays Boni with the head. My more boys in Abaso, they did a good job. Isaac Mensah was so bad for this role. Not bad at all. One also a lot of runs on the day. But after 2 goals, you know why Samuel Boadu is saying so on you happy.
Yeah.
On you happy because Kwabena, you come Morocco no. You come Morocco no Kwabena. 20 minutes no match for.
Yeah.
Tia semuni ye. You come Morocco. 20 minutes no Morocco for Asha 4. What did you Morocco for Asha 4? Every single chance you are working out within the first 20 minutes. Every single chance within the first 20 minutes are working out. What's say? What's that about? It is a coach in the home. No, a corner of Africa. Now, you never go to your bridge, your cowboy. What they are capable of. Now, Kwabena create chances now when Shako will be happy. Now, what about say has a Shomo 5? I can who is like Quebec return, you know, what some. They make cannot say.
Sure.
And so definitely the coach will not be happy. From where he's coming from what we saw, what we experienced, I want Morocco, no, the coach will definitely not be happy because begging chances.
Southern of Africa, or the kill them in your.
That's the whole thing. And so if someone would catch us when you're happier, it's not happy, say. I guess when you're happy, the boys they were super yesterday, but chances have has created in no. No one said I don't know what I say. Make us your airport area na BKB. Na can come catch them sepoku. Said has to 4 take your chances. Can one because he has to say chances in your power. Chances baby don't go to here. And it is good that the team is creating chances, but in Africa, we not chance I because me catch or Kwabena. Say Cruz when you say chance you has a free. That's what me catch on. North Africans. Say chance has the creating one answer. So when you has a free. They are capable of scoring more than 5. And so that is why the coach was so happy. But in general, says the boys did their best. They make out here say, but I'm not going to that game. I was saying yes, you of you. And I have said, who training. Kwabena, if you ask me, the Koko who you need to know. Now, House of Folk 2 goals. Kwabena say you agree with me, say 2 goals are better than 1. We're different from Wako. Has to be 2 and an echo. Always so people looking at the scoreline at PM. So matches are born over the weekend. Scoreline in the draw. One dimension. Them say Simba ne timi share. Your fan say 3. Yami County as here. And then I come by Simba who would you maybe now. Time and I'm Bernard Morrison. Bernard Morrison, Jenny Tanzania. No. I'm wondering.
See, on Tiasia say, you're free players, Bijano.
Oh, Kwabena Mene Yajano. And a down with us a power producer. Before some about house, was a house here, no son. Kwabena, Bernard Morrison, a dear pa. Where your confidence at the house, a boy, no Mubio. And likely asked to qualify, but you know, my group say, Kwabena, Bernard Morrison, and he won the day for TP was in me. Freak, what's on what free kick aspect?
Simba.
Simba. Sorry. Thanks for the correction, Kwabena. Simba. What is one way free kick expert? Free kick about top or position be about top, but show this year. One say young Africans, what you here? Young African Simba, he scored a similar goal. First one. The second goal, and also Kwabena, of course, third goal, the moment. Boy, no, he's playing war. When I have special, I just want to say 3. So I was so confident in camp results now. So Kwabena did war. But even with that, your coach Pablo wouldn't be working. I'm a coach bloody win my small kind. Or say, Martin don't want him like papa. Even after they scored 3, it's my boys saying your mother is so much. That is what he said. He said he's so happy because they could have scored more. What he has here? A boy no. Oh yeah, dear pa. Orchestrator, scorer of the first goal, orchestrator of the second goal, and the third goal. Now you will catch us a coach or who get a coach in front. Oh, they can. Now the performance and yet that Kupadio. The guy is doing what? What's it? And some only sabi Coronia mentality be near Jamboni Bia, and what the Patrimino, or Africa, it's your friend and ye. Why am I from about the bit of boss aboy? Quabrana, I'm fan to attack a million time. I don't what you may. Now, you see, with us of Focudiano, you have 2 goals. And now what they call Quabna 2 goals now what they call. Again, I bet you protect 2 goals. Now, sir, trashing scholar and even Kogosi. Quabna Pedia me who you come Morocco. Any of them, if you ask me, share Asarbediaco, 1 day Asarbediaco, said, yeah. And Diana for Asarbediaco. Quabna Asarbediaco, we are born said the Morino, I catch him, a friend information be catch him. Quabna, a would do some. Me, my mobby. Mate to whom mobile be away with this information. We represent maybe Morino Cobo is SN2. Sure. And maybe Morino added a tofosible 2. Morino, what the tofosible 2. Sabra, ya catch him. Say, ya sapa.
Obiam.
Cabra William South formation, your nimble pass. The late Hebetado.
Hebet.
What can say, Piana League in one go project? Hebetado show back, Cabra, friend, catch him. A dangerous formation, catch him formation. Morino, you expect. And then I said, Bediaco, a Jonah South for Bono away. Cabra, the South formation in my work. We bet Branks and Washington. Sure. We bet Papa, no, Koya has to be a house at it. What is that? Working. Cabra, catch us a door. The guys were good and they were tricky. Omo ya no mabia a beauty house of folk. This time house and chairman work has was the sure. House and paying for any da. But work has selections what they call park and so on. You who say and also I said down for. Because coach is ako biem ni no mabia mu a. Kwabena, how would the two na go? So we say cruise we beginning no more defensive minded do. Sure. Sana work be ya wem so ye. Ana say hey, conformity delay man ye feel. Sure. Say you delay. Kwabena wo about who
super fantastic.
You see, when Momo was strategies, also to deploy. Kwabena nya and your coach said, "Men am your Pep Guardiola." Kwabena, some Obodu say, "We are there," but a new big club and your coach said, "Your Pep Guardiola." No. And your honor Kobabo fair. Baby, I don't know. I have 180 minutes. You're 90. Sure. You have only 90 minutes to qualify. Some Obodu qualifier. Kwabena was setting record and I'm a yeah. One kasa was creating name will be image Kasiaman. Ghana recognizing as the best coach now. The other coach has here. And so or no, also you be man. No one I coach as well. Barcelona coach.
CK got the Black Star job because of I had the
money. Good company. Yeah. I drove my heart for you. Make drop my heart in the amount. So come is asking me what. I drove my heart for you. What you say? Company. CK could not make the name. If you know, is how group stage not the Coco. No, I know what you need. And I saw Shaswa. His other professor Dr. Kwame administration. I did about Papa so yeah, you are making name, no, because Nacho group stage. So some will do, and you have your coach say Pep Gadura, and you young Pep Gadura football. Sure. Cooperate them Moreno Catchon Star. Because I did about coming who are Morocco is a woody. First 20 minutes, no Morocco for be a fire. With June 1 year, so Saturday will be no Moody Jano. First 20 minutes of North Africans, is serious. What is on in the both first 20-25 minutes when say go I frustrated. This is how sound of life for here. So the first 20 minutes when in the go, how? But so when to me and say go, I got 30 minutes mark. Now what they know this one I said no. Now asa. Ubers are waiting to take over. Kwabena, how do you prevent these guys? Someone to be no more moyano. Oh mukromu. If you ask me, you call Morocco no. Caleb on the day was very poor. Went to me. And House of Folk, so the car goes by now. House of Folk so committed a lot of fouls.
Yeah.
Around the 18-yard box. So go for the penalty crime. Yeah. So many penalty share. I couldn't the free kick so share. But not you see and I make it you. House of Folk committed a lot of fouls in and around the 18-yard box. Also, I'm the corner kick in so share. Set pieces. It should be avoided. Oh. And you know. That is why Akwabena, if you ask me Salimu more sexy that. You has a committee fouls. From the Morocco, no. Opa Bianco no correctly premium. And Confound goes from Shire. Back was a penalty. Meboa, was a penalty?
Yeah, they only apply, but I mean, name the
I know the free kick to share. And as a corner kick, set pieces. Kwabena, these guys are dangerous. Prevent them. Maybe Salimu 6. Salim will be in the game, but almost 6. Kwabena, if you ask me, me a coach, I would deploy the 4-2-3-1 formation. The 4-2-3-1 formation. 4 no, me back 4 no, Fatal Muhammad, Radio Voka. Me prefer Radio Voka in this game. Do you know why? Because of Radi's experience and the height. And before we will come a lot of corner kicks and free kicks, sure. Because of Radi's heart and the height and the experience, I'll prefer Radi. They should work on him. Fatal Muhammad, Kwabena me center pair and Wutie, pair de who you know. I'll prefer Muhammad Al-Hassan and Nuru Sule. Ask me why Nuru Sule.
Nuru Sule, yeah.
Sure.
And he has been off.
Sure. Kwabena, what is here come Morocco? Nuru Sule or bad game na game in society. One Patrick Razak. Nuru Sule was experience. Oh, I'm telling you, those boys someone has a say. So how can the experience play wine?
Nuru Sule about you.
What boss out top stage, you know, and Nuru Sawa height. Kwabena to me. I would prefer Muhammad Al-Hassan and Nuru Sule. Me James Owonu Frimo. Kwabena na me 2 holding any James Owonu and Salim Adams.
Okay.
Kwabena me a coach. I'm about 3 central defenders. 3. Nyansa. You don't make a game.
Sure.
3 central defenders. I'm telling you. Salim Obo, James Owonu, Jira Muhammad Al-Hassan and Nuru Sule him. Then na Salim Abebobi. Abeka. Because of the who Morocco no, now House of Folk make for the whole brutal. And any tackler on the Kobiana foul because of the more run it. You don't if you want to stop the North Africans, you stop home anymore. And then you stop home. Stop the supplies. Sure. The Obama supply no stop home. The supplies are not coming out. That is when no more frustrated. And so me I prefer Salim and James Owen. Me about 3 center your friends and defenders. And then the 3 offensive midfielders, you know. Then Frederick and Saboche. Come down with you.
Sure.
Frederick and Saboche will be on the left side. A free Banya will be at the right side. And then a friend say Salif Di Maria at the middle. 4-2-3. And then Kofi Koji. What do you take Kofi Koji who here or game with? Kofi Koji is a ball playing striker. Oh, Zira Bosso. Ne who sword them opposite threat and no idea go for no to be because of football be dangerous Kofi Koji and when you have chance and so he can also score as well Kwabna House of Folk nyadia the okoye no work na bi sibiem from what we've learned our work hono minim say Samuel Boadu oko sa game we me dan trim because Kwabna with this formation, you know, when you stop their francs from working, no one render them useless. Because Free Bania is a speedster. What I say, Frederick and Sabocho will also help your first radio vocal. Kwabna baby a jono, strategy I'm mapping up and conforming to me. They make out here say because 2 goals to the head, 2 goals to the Kwabna a manageable. Say a winner and but to score 2. Imagine say be about 30 minutes before we go. Do you think that he has a free?
Difficult.
A bit difficult. And so it starts on the coach. So Obama put a very good strategy. No one warning the boys, you know. Warning the boys, you know, committing free kicks. 18 years ahead, you can't no free. Conclude, we know, may catch a bottom of one hand, no one ho, for 2 3 a man and now. Say, bottom of one head into Yasser, Miss Row. One be mount a different picture, a grand style. When it's be brew, share Yasun Washana. So who born on my born after say has to say to the head of me. So who born on no Morocco, friends say, Algeria, after say has to say to no be shed your boy. Quabramo bomb like fire. Homo and so it will be very extremely important to stop the supplies of these guys. And so Medford is extremely careful. And you want to Pep Guardiola, meaning what will be a Kwabna where Morino catch him formation. Who frustrate your opponent. Now, so that even in the first, I've not frustrated as a par. Because at the end of the 90 minutes, your boy, your man, shower and shame. Morino means shower, one shame. Yamika, what you say? You are antics and it's no man, the Bay Juma. Hey, Kwabna. Minim picture of Koboso. Either artificial turf or your friends say the natural grass. Kwabna, it would be a house of folk who come from the boot to do one. Sure. Because Morocco, the end will be. The country pictures so picture and Kwafana says so. Kwabna picture about Toswa. Just a winner picture of Kwabadaso. A so few bought Toswa Johnny. This I would be Ghana, the enemy. And to one different boots. Now they are caught. Sure. What about your warm up crown who say? Preach inside the city, a very influence boot to a bed. You've learned a lot. So by scoring 2, you've done a good job. But the can say a free now calling and the coach should work on the boy's psyche. Sure. Omo say qualification in Germany. Ghana and show and they should make names for themselves. Come on, make me the can say House of Folk qualify group stage. Now you are quite Afcona. Coach Milovan to mean cancer on Peki as a place in Gobi. House of Folk qualified to group stage. Now you are born. Week out war born teams I can say about for player. Who for player. And so they should make name for themselves. One more and can say do say here. Shall I deal with the bad game women and my boys are winning in a game no. May catch all. Kasa our keep goes Kasa and it helped them. Said this is the time for them to make His Royal Highness Togba Father proud, to make the board proud, to make management and House of Folk Sporting Fraternity. Kwabna make Okrano. House supporters are here Juma. Kwabna supporters are here Juma. I'm telling you, Mamin Theatre, my Isakimo, and Nanakoto. Kwabna Nanakoto Kieme. Yeah. Supporters not Juma Kasa. What you say? NCC for no new one more Chief Inspector Abbas Muswat. Kwabna they've worked. I thought they'd be a ball with that. So I'm gonna die. They went to sleep. I'm gonna die in a normal pharmacy. And when it says support of the man coach, and motivating any players, because my mom will say, we are so behind you. And it's important. I would love to see House of Folk playing in the Confederation group stage. Now, Ghana will be recognized amongst the elite. Now, I could do Africa, now I to Papa. And so, a friend there, they should work on their side. I think
That's very fancy. I mean, that's baby. All right, Zach of Mohammed. In fact, I was discussing this selection by BK yesterday with my Phobian colleagues. That's where I have a problem with some. But always playing 4-3-3. Meanwhile,